If you're looking for an online yoga and fitness studio that uses evidence-based methods to teach you how to take your health into your own hands, then join me today and rock the shit out of your health. But first, all the reasons that this library is not for you. If you just want max flexibility, you're gonna have a bad time. I'll teach you controlled mobility, but not contortionism. If you want stuff that looks good on Instagram, bad news. I teach you difficult practices, but they look simple. If you just want positive vibes only, just light and love and unicorn farts, then get out of here. Don't let the door hit you on the way out. Anyway, if you want someone to fix all your problems, well, I can't. You are in the driver's seat. I'm just here to cheer you on. There are too many choices for fitness and yoga, and it is hard to know who to trust. Some teachers claim some ridiculous shit that sounds good, but it's just pseudoscience. Shoulder stand squeezes hormones from the thyroid? Nah, that's bullshit. You can't just juice it like an orange. Knee can't go past 90 degrees? Then how do you put your shoes on? So why should you trust me then? Well, I'm in my final year of both my master's in exercise science and my doctorate of chiropractic degrees, so I can understand the research and science behind yoga and fitness and offer you a truly evidence-based practice. Also, I've taken over 1,000 hours of yoga teacher training and workshops. I'm also a personal trainer and corrective exercise specialist with NASM, so I understand what is relevant to applying the science to teach and practice fitness, yoga, and meditation. If this sounds like your jam, click the thing. Join me today. You're gonna be stronger, healthier, happier. I'll see you on the mat.